How to use Spectrum Xumo remote. So to use your Xumo Stream box with its remote, you'll need to pair them. Once paired, these devices will only function together until you break that connection. If this is the first time you're using the remote, make sure the plastic tab on the back has been removed. When using TV or speaker functions, the remote needs to be in line of the side of the TV or speaker receiver. If a remote is currently paired, please follow the instructions to unpair prior to proceeding. The Xumo TV iOS or Android app will not control Xumo Stream box. In addition to having the Xumo logo under the number keys, the large button remote is white. So to distinguish between the PR1 and PR3 remotes, locate the Xumo logo. On the PR1, it's at the bottom of the device under the number keys. On the PR3, it's on the top of the remote. Each unit has the Xumo logo under the number keys, and the large button remote is white. So once your remote is paired, you can use it to access your favorite programming through Xumo Streambox. So using this specific button, you can go ahead and head over to the quick access menu. By clicking on this button, you can go ahead and power on or off your TV. These are the volume buttons. These are the channels button. This is the guide button, which launches the guide. This is the navigation pad, and this is the OK or select button. This is the back button, add or remove from my list button, voice search, home button, accessibility settings, shortcut, number keys. And then this input button at the bottom left is the TV input. And that is how to use Spectrum Xumo remote.